Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we are here today to do what we're going to be doing, Madam Glam. This is Love Wins. This is a beautiful, beautiful. Look how beautiful this pink is. It is scrumptious. Scrumptious. Say it 10 times fast. Scrumptious. Beautiful. Beautiful. It is beautiful. I'm loving this color. I did an unboxing a little bit back. If you've seen this video, you've seen this in action. So I took a makeup wedge, dabbed on some white nails, and look how beautiful this looks. And what we did, or what we're going to do, is take the opaque black. I'm excited. I'm getting tongue-tied. Opaque black non-stick semi-gel. This is a semi-gel. This is new on SheModern.com. Non-stick stamping polish semi-gel. This goes in the lamp for 30 seconds. So that's what we're using today. We got the stamping plates of JT-C040. We're going to be using that, or attempting to, as well as I don't even know how to say this word. I don't know how. Exorcism BPXL012. These are my flame plates, and I love them. So we're going to do that. We're going to stamp in black, put it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and we're going to come back and put some green chrome. So this is new. We got the white and the black on hand. I'm only using the black today. So we're going to dive right in. Let's see, let's start with the pinky nail. Let's start. This is right here. We are. This bottle is full. It is 12 ml. You can get this at SheModern.com. I have a code in the description box. I have my hollow baby. My hollow stamper. Be very careful how long you let it sit, because it'll dry on you in a jiffy. Tina says to let it sit for a minute. Depending on kind, this is a deeply etched plate, so do not let it sit too long, or it won't pick up. You gotta test your plates. Test your plate. Put this in the lamp for 30. Okay, here we go. We're gonna tap. Get me some chrome. Dab. Tap it on the image where it is sticky for this. And then you want to do is buff on the image, and then take the opposite side and rub, do the same thing. Get your, what did you use my brush? I had a brush. Rub. Just get it off there a little bit, and there you go. There's your green flames. How stinking, did I say spanking cute? That is not a word. We got stinking cute. Real stinking cute. So we're going to go in, let's find us another image for the ring finger. I think I'm going to skip this plate because I was having some trouble. I went through it probably 4 or 5 times. Probably 20 minutes worth. I was just having I was having a really difficult time with that plate. But I don't want to sit here for 20 minutes and have that hard time again. It's a lot of polish wasted. Beautiful pickup. First time around, get your lint roller, your tape, your card, whatever you want to use to take your excess off the what's this called? The stamper. Popper of the Glam. Be back in 30. Okay, we are back. We have got our final nail. Time to tap, tap, tap. Should have left the paper towel down for this. Should have left the paper towel down for this. Tap, tap, tap until you got it covered and start buffing it. Take the other side. Get my brush. I'm going to do this off my mat. Okay. Whoops. Remove this. And we still got green on the mat. Look at that phoenix. Looky, I would call it a phoenix. I'm not sure if that's what it is. But looky, looky, looky. On the mat, I'm glad it's matted. You have to have a matte surface to work with these not sinful, listen to me. Semi-gels. The sticky or the non-sticky, they have to have a matte surface. I think that is so stinking cute. So now we are going to get our Madam Glam. That's the Velvet top coat. I don't want that. I want Silk Off No White top coat. That's the base coat. Madam Glam. These bottles are yucky. Let me clean this. Let me clean it. Yes. Here's our Soak Off No Wipe Top Coat. I'm going to cure these for $60. I have a affiliate link in the description box. Oh, I think this is an old bottle. Click on that, it takes you right there. My code I will put across the bottom of the screen as well as in the description box. Don't tell me I got the wrong bottle out. That is an old bottle. Old bottle. So click the link, it takes you straight to Madam Glam. It lets you know you were here and watching my content and where you were sent from. So I appreciate you clicking here, not going directly to madamglam.com. So please do so. Please click my link in the description box that takes you straight to Madam Glam. Use my 50% off discount code. It's at a minimum of 2 bottles. It's a little bit too much polish. Oh, how beautiful is these? Or are these? I can't talk. Beautiful Madam Glam. Go shopping on me, ladies. The more you shop and use my code, the more products I will earn. Look how beautiful these look. Can you see? Can you see? Popping these in for $60. We will be right back. Okay, here we are. We are back. Here is our Madam Glam / SheModern Semi-Gel Black Opaque Non-Stick Sticky Stamping Polish. How beautiful are these? We got some green flames going on with the green phoenix. How super cute is that? Green flames, ladies. Green flames. How super cute. So again, our star product is opaque black non-stick semi-gel. Cures for 30 seconds in the lamp. You bring it out, you put your chromes on it, and voila! Here's what you get. You pick your color of choice. I think it's stinking cute, ladies. Stinking cute, and you heard it here first. On SheModern, SheModern Saturday. And Just Nailed It. Don't forget, you heard it on Just Nailed It. My code for SheModern is Nailed It67. Save yourself 10% off on the SheModern catalog. I think these are really, really cute. The green and the pink. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Manny. Don't forget to click the link for Madam Glam out of the description box. It'll give you some incentive and it helps me out as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.